Hello students, until in derivatives we have studied first principle, standard formulae, then Leibniz definition and some elementary theorems, addition theorem, subtraction, scalar multiplication, product rule, quotient rule, etc. Some corollaries, that is the short methods, that are also very important. Actually, this calculus, again I am telling, calculus is the mathematics of engineering and science. Without calculus, development in engineering and science not possible at all. So, if you are stronger in the mathematics in 11, 12 standard, then you face engineering very easily. If you are weaker in the mathematics and if you go to the engineering, 100% you will be the थोडक्यात काय मराठीमध्ये बिनकामाचा इंजिनियर तयार होणार. लक्षात ठेवा हे एवढं सेंटेन्स. मॅथ्स 11वी-12वीला जर व्यवस्थित नाही केलं आणि आपण जर तरी सुद्धा इंजिनिअरिंगचं स्वप्न बघत असेल, इंजिनिअरिंगला जरी गेलो, जरी डिग्रीचं सर्टिफिकेट मिळवलं तरी सुद्धा जॉबच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला इंजिनिअरिंगचा जॉब मिळत नाही. हे लक्षात ठेवूनच 11th आणि 12th स्टँडर्डमध्ये लॉट ऑफ द प्रॅक्टिस you do the mathematics, board mathematics, also JEE, CET mathematics, lot of the practice. For that, planning is required. So you plan some time for the mathematics. Daily 2 hours practice is required for the mathematics. अभी तो ऑनलाइन चल रहा है. फादर जी भी खिला रहे हैं, आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं, समझ में कुछ आता नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं करने का. ये जो अपने को समझ में आता है, जिसमें सिस्टमैटिक लिंक है, एक्सप्लेनेशन स्ट्रॉन्गर है, दैट वीडियोज यू ऑब्जर्व फॉर द एवरी सब्जेक्ट. फॉर मैथमेटिक्स ऑल्सो द very systematic and the sequence is very important. I know you are getting the problems in the function, you are not understanding the functions. So after completion of these derivatives, we will go to the function and I will put videos on the function. Here also I will introduce how to compare. Actually in this derivative, when we solve the example of the derivatives, first requirement, what you limit also, when you solve the example of limit, when you solve the examples of integration, first requirement. So here one systematicness or one method is there to study the mathematics. So while solving the example in question paper, you observe the example, or when you are practice the example, you observe the example. First of all, you ask question to yourself, what is the type of the function? वो समझ में आना चाहिए. कौन सा टाइप का फंक्शन है ये तुम्हारी समझ में आना चाहिए. You must be able to judge the type of the function, and then for that function analysis methods are fixed. So already if you observe the videos of the limits, we have classified limits of algebraic function, limits of trigonometric function, limits of exponential function, limits of logarithmic functions, limits as x tends to infinity, and then some functions are there for that. These basic methods are not applicable, so we are studying L'Hospital rule or Cauchy's rule. In derivatives also, until which we have studied, that is we have taken the examples only on elementary functions. So basic formula is only for the elementary function. Elementary function means angle is identity of that function. Now here, today we will take derivatives of special function. Actually, Maharashtra State board syllabus is started from this article. So from this article, 12th board Maharashtra State 12th board syllabus is started, until which we have taken derivatives part, that is included in 11th standard syllabus. So now today we will see this derivatives of composite function. So first of all, I will compare this composite function with elementary function. So function is elementary function. Elementary function. I actually this we have not put up the videos of the function. That's why it is essential here. If we put the videos of the function, if we observe the function first, then limit, then derivatives, there is no problem. So elementary function and composite function. So functional form of this function is f of x. Function of x. The variable is identity for that function. Functional form of this composite function is f of fogx, that is equal to f of g of x. f of g of x. This is read as f of g of x and written as f fogx or f of g of x. So elementary function, so we'll take some examples suppose. So for example, so y is equal to sin x and we'll compare it with, suppose we'll consider y is equal to sin of x cube. So y is equal to sin x and sin is the main function and angle is x, identity function means identity. So this is the elementary function. Now here sin is the main function and angle of that x cube, that is the power function. So that's why this is the composite function. Y is equal to log x. Log is the main function, angle of that is x, identity, this is the elementary. And y is equal to log of 3x plus 4. So log is the main function, angle is 3x plus 4. That is the polynomial. So that is the linear function. That's why this is the composite. Here y is equal to sin inverse x. This is the elementary function. And if we consider y is equal to sin inverse root 2x minus 1. So this is the composite function. So in short, the standard formula which we have already seen, that is only for the elementary function. When the angle is different than identity function, you want to use the theorem for that to find the derivatives of that composite function. So what is the theorem for this composite function? So if y is equal to f of u, y is the function of u and u is equal to phi of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du. So we are taking the derivatives of y with respect to u and into du by dx. One thing you keep in the mind, in example, no there is any u, no v, no w. So u means main or main function we are considering u. That is here suppose x cube, so we will put x cube is equal to u. Means sin u, y is equal to sin u, that is the function of u. Now here, if the function is function of number of times, so we use the chain rule. If y is equal to f1u, u is equal to suppose f2v, v is equal to f3w, w is equal to f4x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dw into dw by dx and so on, dash dash dash. Suppose, for example, y is equal to, for the same example you see, sin x cube. Now differentiate, first example, differentiate with respect to x. So derivatives of y dy by dx is equal to, now derivatives of sin is cos. So we write here cos, but don't write here x. What is the angle here? X cube. So you write x cube. Now as the angle is here x cube, instead of x cube angle, you take the derivatives of that. X cube derivative is 3x square. So that is equal to 3x square cos x cube. This is the simplified form. Now you will take the derivatives of second example, y is equal to log of 3x plus 4, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to derivatives of log 1 upon, don't write x here, instead of x 3x plus 4, right here 3x plus 4, into you take the derivatives of 3x plus 4, so 3 constant we will take outside. Derivatives of x is 1 and derivatives of 4 is 0. So that is equal to simplified answer 3 divided by 3x plus 4. Now if we see third example, y is equal to sine inverse root of 2x minus 1 differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx, that is equal to. Now derivative of sine inverse 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. X is equal to root. So root 2x minus 1 square of that into derivative of root function. Now root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So 1 upon 2 root 2x minus 1. Now instead of x here 2x minus 1, take the derivative of that again. That is the chain rule you want to use here. So 2 derivative of x is 1 x is 1 minus 1 is 0. So that is equal to, simplify, now this 2 gets cancelled. So 1 upon root of 2x minus 1 into root of 1 minus root square means 2x minus 1. So that is equal to 1 upon root of 2x minus 1 into root of 1 minus plus 1 is a 2 minus 2x. So like this we are taking the derivatives of this composite function by using this theorem of the composite function or the chain rule. Now for clarifying this concept perfectly, we take some examples again. So suppose I have written already these examples here. We'll take that examples. So first example, solution. First example is let y is equal to 5x cube minus 2 cot x raised to 4 differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx, that is equal to. Now here basically if you observe the function, suppose this is u raised to 4. So power function, so we use the formula x raised to n. So that derivative is 4 5x cube minus 2 cot x raised to 3. Now we have taken the derivatives of this power function. Now here instead of x, here this is 5x cube minus 2 cot x. So you want to take the derivatives of that. So into, now derivatives of 5x cube, 5 constant, x cube is 3x square. We have used the theorem Ku minus 2 constant and derivative of what is minus cosec square x. So that is equal to 4 5x cube minus 2 cot x bracket cube into bracket 15x square minus plus 2 cosec square x. So this is the derivative of this first example. Now if we take the second example, so let second example, let y is equal to 1 upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 raised to x bracket cube differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to. Now if we observe the functional form, so I have told already to you, to study the calculus, you must concentrate, you judge the functions. So if you are able to judge the functions and if we memorize the standardization which is taught by the original to you, you will be very easily solve the examples. You practice actually for mathematics. मेहनत जरूरत होती है, मेहनत के बिना कुछ नहीं मिलता. So here the functional form is 1 upon b. So 1 upon b, you know the short method u by v theorem, minus 1 upon b square dv by dx. So minus 1 upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 raised to x raised to 3 into, now here v is this, you take the derivative of that, so power function. So 3 3 e raised to x plus 4 raised to x square. Now we have taken the derivatives of this power function. Now here, instead of x here, 3 e raised to x plus 4 raised to x into, you take the derivatives of that, 3 constant, we will take outside. Derivatives of e raised to x is e raised to x plus 4 raised to x constant into 4 raised to, the derivatives of 4 raised to x is 4 raised to x log 4. So that is equal to minus, if we simplify here, this function this gets cancelled, so minus 3 into bracket 3 e raised to x plus 4 raised to x log 4 divided by 3 e raised to x plus 4 raised to x. So this is the simplified answer. Now if we see the third example, so let y is equal to 5 raised to 2 sec x plus 3 tan x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivatives of y is dy by dx, so that is equal to, now here the functional form is a raised to x, this here a raised to x, this form. So derivative of a raised to x, you know this a raised to x log a. So that formula initially we will use, that is we are considering this is u. So 5 raised to u. So 5 raised to 2 sec x plus 3 tan x. You judge how we are applying this actually in the examples. So 5 raised to 2 sec x plus 3 tan x log 5. Now here we have taken the derivatives of 5 raised to. Now we will take the derivatives of this. Here instead of x here 2 sec x plus 3 tan x. So you want to take the derivatives multiplying form. So derivatives of 2 sec x is 2 constant, we will take outside. Derivatives of sec x is sec x into tan x plus 3 constant, and derivatives of tan is sec square x. So that is equal to 5 raised to 2 sec x plus 3 tan x log 5. Here we will take sec x common outside into bracket 2 tan x plus 3 sec x. So this is the derivatives of this third example. शार्दूल चालू आहे का बघ, नाही तर पुन्हा मी आपल्या शिकवत जातोय. आहे का?
हो.
Now next fourth example. So let y is equal to given example log of e raised to 4x x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 raised to 5 upon 4. Now here initially if we take the derivative, you can take the derivatives of log 1 upon x, but you think by that method the example solution becomes the complicated, because log derivative and then you want to use the u by v etc. theorem, the complexity is great. This mathematics calculus is the mathematics of engineering, and engineers always step your foot by thinking. Without thinking you don't write the next steps. So what you want to keep in the mind, that is productivity and simplification, interchangeability, variety reduction. So that concepts of the engineering machine designs you want to keep in the mind, and that you want to apply in the mathematics. So mathematics is used in the design also. All the designs are based on this mathematics, that is the calculus. So that is equal to, so we use here, if we use here rules of the logarithm and if we simplify the example, the derivatives are very simple. So some examples can be solved directly by taking derivatives. Some examples can be solved by first simplification and then we'll take the derivatives. Which way we'll select, that depends upon the what is the time required to solve that example. So always choose the method which takes the minimum time for calculations. So that you want to, we are studying in this mathematics. No? So in mathematics itself, we are studying how we'll study the engineering. So we'll get here, we can write log e raised to 4x plus log x minus 5 divided by x plus 4 raised to 5 upon 4. These steps also, I am writing here step by step, but in one step we can write if we have all the roots of the logarithms in mind. So 4 raised to x is coming multiplying, log a raised to m log is that rule. So log e plus 5 upon 4 power is coming multiplying into bracket log of x minus 5 divided by x plus 4. So that is equal to 4x, here basically means one value, plus 5 upon 4 log x minus 5, log a upon b rule we will use here. So log x plus 4. Now if you observe, this is very simplified for the derivative. So first we have simplified and then we have taken the derivative. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, derivative of 4x is 4 into 1 plus 5 upon 4 into bracket, derivative of log is 1 upon x minus 5 into derivative of x is 1 minus 0 minus 1 upon x plus 4 into derivative of x plus 4 is, so when for the function angle is other than x, other than identity function, you want, that is the composite function, then you want to use the chain rule, that is you take the multiplication of the derivatives. So this, you keep this concept in the mind, very easily you will find the derivatives of the composite function. For this composite function, lot of the practice is required, so you practice all the examples from your textbook. So you want to take the command. So to face in the engineering, to make the careers in the engineering, you want to give lot of the time for the mathematics in 11th and 12th standard. Actually, engineer बनना है, अच्छा इंजीनियर बनना है, करियर वाला इंजीनियर बनना है, तो 8 स्टैंडर्ड से यूर एम रखना पड़ता है कि मुझे ये करना है, तो उसके लिए मैथमेटिक्स स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाना है. So 1 upon x plus 4, 1 plus derivative of 4 is 0. So that is equal to 4 plus 5 upon 4 into bracket 1 upon x minus 5 minus 1 upon x plus 4. Now next example, fifth example we will study. Let y is equal to log x so log of x raised to n. So this is the composite of composite functions. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivatives of y, dy by dx equal to. So basically, the functional form is the power function. This is u, suppose u raised to n. So will you take the derivatives of that? n into bracket log x raised to n minus 1. So we have taken the derivatives of the power function. Now next we will take the derivatives of these functions. So first of all we will take the derivatives of this log. So derivative of log is 1 upon. So 1 upon angle is log of log x. So log of log x. Now next you will take the derivative of this log. Instead of x here log of log x. So 1 upon log x. And finally we take the derivative of this log. So 1 upon x. So simplified answer we can write n into bracket log of x raised to n minus 1 divided by x log of log x. Now next example, sixth example. Let y is equal to cos 2 sin cube x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to derivative of cos is minus sin. What angle you write here? 2 sin cube x. Now here instead of x, 2 sin cube, that is a composite function, take derivatives of that, 2 constant, derivatives of sin cube, 3 sin square x. Now instead of x sin here, derivatives of sin is again cos x. So that is equal to minus 3 into 2, 6 sin square x cos x and sin of 2 sin cube x. Now last example, let y is equal to log of under root 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x. So that is equal to log of. Now here, if we apply the direct formula derivative, the complexity here, so we can simplify this by using the trigonometric formula. So we can write 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So that is equal to log of. So cos upon sin is cot. So cot square x by 2. So that is equal to log of cot, root square and root gets cancelled, cot x by 2. So this is the simplified form of this. Now we will take the derivatives here. So if we differentiate with respect to x, so derivatives of y, dy by dx is equal to derivatives of log 1 upon cot x by 2 into derivatives of cot is minus cosec square x by 2. Now here angle is x by 2 instead of, so you take the derivative of 1 upon constant, we will take outside and derivatives of x is 1. So that is equal to minus cosec square x by 2 divided by 2 cot x by 2. So this is the derivative of this example. So in this way, you go through the examples on composite function, that is the which are exercise in your textbook. So you practice 2-3 hours, you will nicely you will get the command on the derivatives of this composite function. So okay, thank you. Today we will stop here.